Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Grammar Tips. Today we will practice English grammar tenses with some important fill in the blanks questions. These questions are very helpful for exams and daily English use. Let's get started. So today's topic is learn tenses easily. Fill in the blanks practice English grammar tips. Today's question number 1 is write the correct alternative to fill in the blanks. 3 workers died, had died because of possible asphyxiation while they had tried, were trying to remove wooden planks from newly casted concrete walls of a septic tank. They had brought out and rushed to the local hospital where doctors declared brought dead. Please pause the video and try before seeing the answers. So, the answers for this question are 3 workers died. 3 workers died. 3 workers died. We use the simple past tense here because it describes a completed action. In the past. Please remember, simple past is used for a completed action in the past. Died. So the correct answer is died here. 3 workers died because of possible asphyxiation while they had tried, or trying. And the correct answer is 3 workers died because of possible asphyxiation while they were trying. The correct answer here is were trying. This requires the past continuous tense because it describes an action that was ongoing at the moment the tragedy occurred. Past continuous tense shows the action was happening when the incident occurred. So here the correct option is were trying. To remove wooden planks from newly casted concrete walls of a septic tank. They had brought out and declared brought dead. Think, what is the correct option here? And the correct option here is And the correct option here is were brought. Were brought is the right option here. They were brought. This is the passive voice. Were brought, passive voice, be verb, were, and plus past participle of the base form of the verb bring, brought. The workers didn't bring themselves out, they were rescued or moved by others. Passive voice is needed here because the workers didn't bring themselves out, so the right option is were brought out and rushed to the local hospital where doctors declared brought dead. So this is the first question. Now move on to the second question. Next question is question number 2. Every citizen has a duty to first option maintain, second option maintained, and the last option will maintain. Think which one is the correct option. Cleanliness in their surroundings. Next Sunday, we, first option shall be, next shall, next can be, carrying on a cleaning program in our area. All of us are interested to join this program. Think. So, please pause the video and try before seeing the answers. Question number 2. Every citizen has a duty to, and the right option is maintain. Option is maintain. And the right option is maintain. Cleanliness in their surroundings. Next Sunday, we dash, shall be, shall, can be, carrying on a cleaning program in our area. Think. And the correct answer is shall be. Shall be area. All of us are interested to join this program. The first one is maintain. After the word to, we always use the base form of the verb. To plus verb is called infinitive. To maintain. Here we use we shall be carrying on a cleaning program. It is used for future continuous, something planned for the future. Since the sentence uses carrying, the ing form, carrying, the ing form, it requires a helping verb phrase, helping verb phrase to create the future continuous tense. Shall be carrying, future continuous tense. Shall alone would require carry, and can be changes the meaning to possibility rather than a plan. And the last one, come to the last sentence. All of us are interested to join this program. And the correct answer is all of us are interested. are interested. Here the subject, all of us, is plural. So we use are interested. It requires the plural verb are. All of us are interested. Here interested functions as an adjective to describe our state of mind. So the correct answer is all of us are interested to join this program. Now come to the third question. The third question is, since last 3 to 4 matches, I am saying, have been saying, was saying the same thing at the toss. If we dash play, have played, will collectively result dash was, is, will be in our favor. Please pause the video and try before seeing the answer. Try. Since last 3 to 4 matches, I am saying, have been saying, was saying, and the correct answer is have been saying. Have been saying the same thing at the toss. Since shows an action. Here since, S-I-N-C-E, shows an action started in the past and continuing till now. So here we need the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Have been or has been. Here I, so we use have been. Use the present perfect continuous because the action started in the past 3 or 4 matches ago and still continuing or repeating up to the present moment. So the correct answer is have been saying the same thing at the toss. If we play, have played. Think which one is correct? And the correct answer is if we play. Play is the right answer here. Play, because in an if condition, if we play, this is real possibility. We use present simple or simple present tense or present indefinite tense. This is a type 1 conditional sentence, real possibility. In the if clause, we use the simple present to talk about a future condition. We play well collectively. Result dash was, is, will be in our favor. Think which one is the correct option here. Was, is, will be. And the correct option